The overall goal of this procedure is to study the development of intimal hyperplasia in a humanized model. This is accomplished by first denuding a section of human mammary artery, or IMA, using a 2 French Fogarty catheter. Next, a stent is inserted into the IMA. Then, a segment of rat abdominal aorta is replaced with the stented IMA. Finally, the wound is sutured and the animal is allowed to recover. The endothelial damage due to the invasive procedure of balloon dilatation and stenting results in inflammation and the production of inflammatory cytokines. This leads to the proliferation of smooth muscle cells, which progressively occlude the vessel lumen, resulting in restenosis. Ultimately, results can be obtained that show the proliferation of human smooth muscle cells through immunofluorescence confocal microscopy.
Today, we will show you a model for the assessment of restenosis in human arteries in a rat host.
The advantage of this model over existing techniques like the abdominal wet aortic stenting is that we can assess human stents in human tissue.
We first had the idea for this method when we were aiming to find a translational in vivo model for vascular remodeling.
To prepare the IMA, begin by using a 2 French Fogarty arterial embolectomy catheter to denude the arterial endothelium by moving the catheter into the vessel to ensure endothelial damage. Insert a human stent of 8 mm in length and 2.5 to 3 mm in diameter into the vessel.